Welcome to the market recap for July 27th, 2022. The Federal Reserve announced a 0.75% increase in interest rates as inflation remains high, bringing the main policy rate to a range of 2.25% to 2.5%. Continuing high levels of inflation were indicated by the June Consumer Price Index report, which showed a 9.1% increase in inflation from a year before. In addition, Fed officials stated that the central bank would continue to reduce the size of its balance sheet. While Fed Chairman Jerome Powell acknowledged the slowdown in economic growth, he reaffirmed that the Federal Reserve would be willing to further increase interest rates for the goal of price stability and a return to the Fed's 2% inflation target. Meta stock was down 4.5% today after it reported a second quarter revenue of $28.82 billion, which is 1% less than last year's figure. In addition, the company announced a range of guidance for its third quarter revenue of between $26 and $28.5 billion, which is less than the consensus estimate of $30.7 billion. Spirit Airlines terminated its proposed merger with Frontier Group Holdings, opting instead to enter discussions with JetBlue Airlines, who had submitted a competing offer to Frontier's. After a review of technical indicators, my analysis has determined that for the S&P 500 index, the monthly trend is bearish, the weekly trend is neutral, and the daily trend is bullish. For the Nasdaq 100 index, the monthly trend is bearish, the weekly trend is neutral, and the daily trend is bearish. According to my market analysis system, I predict that the Nasdaq 100 index will have an up day tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow for another market recap.